Our session is about surface area and volume, chapter 29. Then in this session, I am going to discuss only the basic concept of finding surface areas of cylinders and prisms. But I am not going to talk about the volume. I am going to talk the volume at the next session. Then this already consists of our textbook, all the concepts, and in addition to that textbook, all the sums I am going to do, and additional few sums are there. Then from the next session, I will provide in a tutor for both surface area and volume session. I am going to do the next week. Then here, all these questions related to the textbooks are here, right? Then we'll start to do it. After finish the session, I am sending you a Google form paper. Please do the online test around 8 to 10 and please submit the paper. That is my request because I want to evaluate you all, whether you all are doing very well, whether you can understand. So that's what I want to see. So please send the Google form paper. Even if you finish this one, send the marks personally. Even I can go and I can check the marks. And in addition to that, if you can enter the marks in this comment box, that is really good. Okay, then I will start to do the session. The first thing we have to talk about the cylinder. Then what is called a cylinder? The cylinder is familiar in our day-to-day life. We are using cylinders for different purposes. Now look at this cylinder. This cylinder basically consists of three parts. What are the three parts? This is a circular portion. And the base also circular. This is the lid and this is the base. Then you can see two flat circular parts are here. Two plain circular parts are here and one curved surface. These are the three main parts of the circle, right? We can write here circular plane surface. And this is curved surface. Curved surface. And this is the center of this circle. And this is the center of this circle. Then from this center to, if you draw a straight line to the circumference, that is called the radius of the circle. That is equal to the radius of the cylinder. I will label it as R. Then if I draw a straight line from this center, lid of the circle to the base of the circle, this is the axis of this. What is this called? This is the axis. We can label it as axis. By using simple H, we can represent this. Then if I take any point of this circle and this circle parallel to the axis, and if I draw a straight line like this, this is the generator. We can draw a lot of generators like this. This is the generator. We can name it as H. These are the basic parts of a circle. Basically, two plane surfaces, circular plane surfaces, and curved surface. This is the axis. This axis equals the height of the cylinder. Radius equals the radius of the cylinder. Then what is called a right circular cylinder? Then here in this chapter, especially when we are doing the sums, we are talking about the right circular cylinder. Then this is the lid, this is the center of the lid, and this is the center of the base, right? Then if I join these 2 points like this by using a straight line, this is the radius from the center to circumference, from the center to this circumference, right? This is perpendicular. This axis is perpendicular to this. This is the axis. I will name it as H. This is the R. This is the R. Right? The axis of the cylinder is perpendicular to the two circular plane surfaces. Two circular plane surfaces. Therefore, such cylinders are called right circular cylinders. Right? There are cylinders which are not right circular, but here we are not going to talk about this. Right? Here on this chapter only we are going to talk about them. Then what is the term mean by the circular? Circular is that any cross section which is perpendicular to the axis of the circular in shape. Right? Then if you take any cross section, that is already equal to this circular shape. This is the lid and this is the base. Right? This cylinder is a figure, has two circular plane surfaces and top and bottom. Apart from this, also a curved surface is there. Right? Then radius of the two circular plane surfaces are equal to each other. The areas of these two plane surfaces are also equal. Right? Then if you draw a straight line from this center of the circle to this center of the circle, it means from bottom to top, that the straight lines are perpendicular to the circular surfaces. Right? Any straight line on the curved surface which is parallel to the axis of the cylinder, that we can take any line parallel to this, right? Parallel to the axis, right, of the cylinder is called the generator of the cylinder, right? We can draw these generators, lot of generators we can draw like this, right? Right. Surface area of a right circular cylinder with a lid, right? With a lid. Then now I will draw a circle like this. And another circle. When we join, this is a cylinder, right? Then we are going to find the surface area of the right circular cylinder. Then this consists of, really you saw the cylinder, I draw firstly two circular parts, and after that this curved surface consists of two portions, right? One is this circular two parts, right? Two circular, they are equal, right? Circular portions. And the other one, I will cut this to the generator. I will cut and open this part like this. Then it is appear like this. It is a rectangular shape, like a half sheet. If I open this, if I cut it through, then now first of all I remove these two lids. Then after the remaining middle curved surface, I will cut using one of the generator and I will open like this. Then it's appear like this. So what can you say about this? Then you can see the radius from center to here is the radius. Then this circle radius also R. This is also equal, so this also R. So what can you say about the area of the circle? Area of a circle we can find by using pi r square. Then areas of two circular portions are equal. Then this is also pi r square. Then what about the area of this curved surface? Right? Then this is the height of this. From here to here, this is the height. Then it's equal the height of this generator also. Then if I cut and open, this length, it means breadth of the rectangular part equal the height of the cylinder, right? If I open like this circular part is get open, no? This around this is called the circumference. We can find the circumference of a circle by using 2 pi r. So when we open this, mean this curve get open like this. This is the length of the totally 2 circular portions are there, right? Then total surface area of a cylinder equals, what can we do? Then pi r squared plus pi r squared, it means this circle, and this rectangular part plus 2 pi r h. It means short form we can write area A equals pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Now I will add this to area equals pi r squared 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Now look at here, this pi r, 2 pi r and this 2 pi r common. So take it out. Then area equals 2 pi r out. Then 1 r is remaining plus h. This is the total surface area of a cylinder with a lid. Area equals 2 pi r plus h. Now, surface area of a right circular cylinder without the lid. Then this don't have a lid. Only the bottom is there. This don't have a lid. Right, bottom is here. So here also height. This is the height and radius r. That only we have to take one circular portion pi r squared. Then this is the rectangular portion. This consists of only one circular portion and one rectangular portion. One circular part and this circular part, then we can get pi r squared. Then here area pi r squared. Here area equals h into 2 pi r. So 2 pi r h. Then total surface area A equals pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. This is the total surface area of a right circular cylinder without a lid. Right, let's do this example. Determine the following for a cylindrical shaped solid log of base radius 7 cm, height 15 cm, then area of one plane face. Then they ask in one plane, there are, you can see 2 plane faces. This is pi r squared, this is also pi r squared, but they ask in one plane face. Then you can write pi r squared. It's mean 22/7 into radius is here given 7 into 7. Cancel out 7 below the line and over the line. 7 times 22, 7 times 2, 14, 1 remain. 7 times 2, 14 and 1, 15, 154 square centimeter. Second one, area of the curved surface. It means this curve we have to find. So how can we find? We know the formula, how to find curve surface equals 2 pi r h. So you can write 2 into 22 over 7 into radius 7 into height is 15 centimeter. Altogether, this is area square centimeter. Cancel out below the line 7 over the line 7. 22 into 2, 44 into 15. So it is easy to multiply 15 into 2 into 22, 44. Then 4 times 5, 22 remaining, 4 times 1, 4 and 2, 6, 0, 6. Then what is the answer here? 660 square centimeter. Total surface area. What is the total surface area? Then it's mean solid log, no? So this we have to take the base as well as split, no? Upper part. This is a solid. And the curved surface. Then this all together. Then total surface area equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So no need really, we already find here 1 pi r, right? Area equals 2 into 154 plus 2 pi r h, we got the value 660. Now add this to 2 into 154. 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10, 1 remain, 2 times 1, 2 and 1, 3 plus 660 square centimeter. So add this all, area equals 308 plus 660. 308, 660. 8, 6, 9. 968 square centimeter. This is the total surface area of this solid cylindrical shape. Next one, the circumference of the base of cylindrical vessel without a lid of height 20 centimeter is 88 centimeter. Find the radius of the base. It means circumference has given, that is 88 centimeter. You already know circumference equals 2 pi r. Right? This is the first one. So you can find the circumference now. Sorry, radius by using this. 2 pi r equals 88. Then 2 into 22 over 7 into r equals 88. 2 times 22, 44 over 7 into radius equals 88. Radius equals 88 into 7 over 44. Because when we are taking to other side, it's going 44 going down and 7 up. Cancel out. 2 times 7, that is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Next one, find the total exterior surface area. What is the meaning of exterior? Exterior means outside surface area. It means one circular part and the curved surface. Then total surface area equals pi r squared. Only 1 pi r squared is there. 2 pi r h. Total surface area 22 over 7 into radius is how much? 14 into 14 plus 2 into 22 over 7 into 14 into h is how much here? 20. Right. Now cancel. Then total surface area is 44 into 14 plus cancel out here also 2. Then 44, 2 into 22, 44, 2 into 20 here, 40. Now simplify here. Area equals, it is easy for me to do like this, 44 common. Then 14 plus 40. area equals 44 into 54. 4 times 4. 4 times 4, 16, 1 remaining. 4 times 4, 16 and 1, 17. 5 times 4, 20. 2 remain. 5 times 4, 20 and 2, 22. 6, 7, 3, 2. 2376 square centimeter. 2376 square centimeter is the answer here. Nothing there, already you have learned in previous grade how to find the surface area of a circle. Then you know how to find the area of the rectangle. Then only this consists of these things, right? Nothing new to learn. Next one. The surface area of solid metal cylinder is 2442 square centimeter, while the sum of its radius and height is 37 centimeter. It means we can draw the cylinder like this. Then what they are saying, let's mark the values given here. Surface area of total surface area. It means these two circular portions and this all together. Then so total surface area 2442 square centimeter. While the sum of the radius plus height equals how much here? That is 37 centimeter, right? That it means R plus H is 37 centimeter. I think you can understand that this is 37. So we have to find the total surface area. Sorry, find the radius of the cylinder. Then the total surface area has given. So when beginning of this thing, I show you the formula. Total surface area equals 25 R squared plus 25 RH. Then area equals, if I take here 25 R out, R plus H. Then now you don't know here radius only, right? But here radius has given. Radius and height together they have given. So here we, instead of this, we can write 37 into 2 into 22 over 7 into R equals total area has given 2442. It is like this. So we can write 2 times 2244 over 7 into radius into 37 equals 2442. Then you can write here 37. 37 R equals, borrow this to other side. It's mean, now this whole thing we can borrow. We can keep the radius this side and other 37, 44 over 7 to other side. Radius equals 2442 divide by 37. That is 37 into 44 and this is multiplied by 7. Then you can get the answer here. How much? 2442 into 7. Cancel out. I just divide. This is by 2, 22. This is by 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. This is divisible by 11. How many 11s are here? 2. How many 11s are here? 1, 1, 1. Then 7 radius equal 111 into 7, 777 divided by 37 into 2. Its mean radius equals 37 into 2. This is divided by this 777 divided by 37 and see. That is 777. That is really 22 exactly. 22 sorry 21 are there. 21. Then 21 divided by 2, that is 10.5. The radius is 10.5 centimeter here. Find the area of the curved surface of the cylinder. Any more? I no need the cylinder. Curved surface is mean this part. So I prefer this space for doing the remaining part of the sum. This is the first part. And second part. Find the area of the curved surface of the cylinder. In a cylinder curved part we can find 2 phi r, right? 2 phi by using the formula 2 phi r. Then curved surface 2 phi r h. Then now you already know the radius, but you have to find the h. Then they have given r plus h radius and height equals 37. Then now already know the radius 10.5 plus h equals 37. Height equals 37 minus 10.5. That is how much? 26.5 centimeter. Height. Then now you can get, I will delete this part. That height is 26.5 centimeter. Then area of the curved surface 2 phi RH. Curved surface. Then 2 into 22 over 7 into radius is 10.5 into height is 26.5. Multiply this all. It's mean 2 into 22 over 7 into 10.5 into 26.5. Cancel out. How many 3 points? 5, 4, 7, 2. 10.5, there are 3. Divide from these two. Cancel. 22 into 3, 66. 66 into 26.5. Then when you are multiplying also, it is easy to 26.5 multiplied by 66. 6 times 5, 33 remaining. 6 times 6, 36 and 3, 39, 3 remaining. 6 times 2, 12, 12 and 3, 15. 0, 9, 5, 1. 0, 9, 5 and 9, 14. 14 and 1 here. 2, 7. Right. Sorry, 1. Because we have taken 17,490, but 1 decimal place 1,749 square centimeter. This is the answer for this. Let's do the exercise 29.1. The radius of a cylinder is 7 centimeter and its height is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the two circular faces. Radius of the cylinder. First I will draw the cylinder. Radius of the cylinder 7 centimeter. You can mention the details like this. Radius 7 centimeter, height is 12 centimeter. Area of two circular faces. First part, 5 to 5r squared. There are two circular faces. Then 2 5r squared, 2 into 22/7 into radius is 7 into 7. Right? Radius is 7 into 7. Cancel out this 7 to this 7. 44 into 7. Right? 7 times 4, 28, 2 remaining. 7 times 4, 28 and 2, 30. 308 square centimeters. Find the area of the curved surface. Curved surface. Two 5RH. 20 into 22/7 into radius is 7 into height is how much? 12 square centimeter. Then cancel out this 7 and this 7. 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 12. 12, 44. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 1, 4. 8, 4. 8, 12, 1 remaining. 5, 528. This is the curved surface. Then you can find the total surface area. (308 square centimeter plus 528 square centimeter. When we add this 2, 8 and 8, 16, 1 remain here, 3, 5 and 3, 8. 836 square centimeter. (836 square centimeter). Second question. Find the area of the metal sheet that required to make 200 cylindrical tins of 3.5 centimeter and height of 10 centimeter without lids. Find the area of the sheet that required to make 200 cylindrical tins. Yeah, we are going to make 200 cylindrical tins. One tin is 10 centimeter height without the lids. Lids not only that sheet that required to make 200 cylindrical tins of radius 3.5 centimeter and height 10 centimeter without lids. It means radius is here 3.5 centimeter. Even we can write it as a fraction, right? 3.5 as a fraction, 7 divided by 2. Then, when we concern diameter of this, diameter is, it means 7 and 3.5 is mean diameter of the lid is 7 from here to here. Right? Area of the square. Diameter of the lid is mean, then area of square 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter, right? It means now we want to cut a part like this to make that one, right? Then when we concern like this, then area of the square, one square should be 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter, 49 square centimeter. Total area to make one cylinder then is 49 plus altogether 220. total surface area. If I take here 2 pi r h here. So here we can take 7. Square is 7 times 7, 49. Then you can find this part here, 2 pi r h. From here to here. 2 into 22 over 7 into 7 divided by 2 into 10. That is the area of this part. Right, they are asking the area of the metal sheet that is required to make 200 cylindrical tin of radius 3.5 and height 10 centimeter. Right, then first of all we can find the surface area of this now. Right, first we will find surface area of a tin. That surface area of a tin equal, we are going to take 2 pi r h, it's mean curve part. Curve part. 2 into 22 over 7 into radius is 3.5. So I will write it as 7 over 2 into 7 over 2 into height is 10. Now cancel out this and this and this cancel, this 2 to this is 11. 11 into 77. Yeah, cancel 2. One R is here, sorry. Yeah, 1 R is here. We have to find the curved surface first of all. 22 over 7 into 7 over 2 into height is 10. Cancel this and this to this. But it is 220 square centimeter. And now we want to find the one circular part because lid is not there. Then area of square. Right? It means now if I take like this, when like this radius diameter 7, diameter 7. If you draw a square shape part, 7, 7. So this part also, right? We want to find area of square. 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter, 49 square centimeter. Then we want to cut this type of parts also. When we take as this circular part as like this. So that is 49 square centimeter. Total metal sheet area then for one cylinder. Total sheet area for one cylinder. This 220 square centimeter plus 49 square centimeter. That is how much here? 220 in, sorry, plus we have to add this two. 9 and this 0, 9. 4 and 2, 6. 2. 269 square centimeter. The total metal sheet area. Then I will do it other part here. Total equals 269 square centimeter multiplied by 200. Add 2 zeros to end of this and multiply this is by 2. 2 times 9, 18. 1 remaining. 2 times 6, 12. 12 and that 1, 13. 1 remain. 2 times 2, 4 and 1, 5. But it is 53,800 square centimeter. We need that much. Right? Third one. You want to write down? Then write. Third question. Find the total surface area of a cylindrical vessel with a lid 5,412 square centimeter if the area of the curved surface is 2,640 square centimeter. Find the total surface area of two circular faces. A metal cylinder is, what is the area of the cylindrical vessel is there? Right? In this cylindrical vessel, total surface area with the lid is 5,412 square centimeter. Curved surface area, it means how much? 2,640 square centimeter. First part, find the total surface area of the two circular faces. Surface area of two circular faces. How much here? 5,412 minus 2,640 square centimeter. Then 2 subtract 0, 2. 1 can't subtract 11, subtract 4, 7. 3. 13 subtract 6, 7, 4 subtract 2,772 square centimeter. Find the radius of the cylinder. Then we have to find first of all one circular part. Then two circles are equal. So we can write area 5r squared, there are two parts here given, equals 2,772 square centimeter, right? Because this lid and this lid all together here. So 5r squared equals 2,772. Here multiplication divide by 2. Then 2 divide by 2, 1, 7 divide by 2, that is 3, 1 remaining, 17, there are 8, 12, 6. Then 22 over 7 into r squared equals how much? 1,386. R squared equals 1,386 into 7 over the line, divide by 22. Yes, 22. R squared equals how many 11s here? 2. How many 11s are here? 1, 28, there are 2, 66, 126. 126 again cancel out by 2. Here 1, here 63. 63 into 7. Right. So it is easy for us. Now look at these two numbers. We want to find r squared. I will split like this. 63 is mean 9 times 7, right? 9 into 7 into 7. Now it is easy to find the square root. 9 into 7 into 7 square root is mean square root of 9 is 3. 7 into 7, 49, it means 7. 3 times 7, 21 centimeter. The radius is 21, right? By multiplying and going along any more than that, you can split like this and then you can get the square root here. 3 times 7, 21 centimeter. Third part, find the height of the cylinder. Right, then I will erase the first part here. We have to find the height. Height of the cylinder. Right, you know the radius. Then already you can take the curved surface. 2 phi RH equals to 1640 square centimeter. Substitute 2 into 22 over 7 radius 21 into h equals to 1640. Then height equals to 1640 into 7 below the line. So other all are going, this is below the line, so it is over the line. Other all the numbers going below the line. 2 into 22 into 21. 1737s. How many 11s here? Divisible. How many 2's here? 11. How many 2's here? 1, 3, 2, 0. Again divide by 12. 6. 660. 660 divided by 11. That is 60. This 60 divided by 3. 30. Right? 30 there. No, sorry. That is 20. Right? 60 divided by 3. Height is 20 centimeters. Height is 20 here. Right, next question. Question number 4. The base of the cylindrical vessel with the lid, which has been produced using a thin metal sheet, has a circumference of 88 centimeters. If the area of the curved surface is 1078 square centimeters, find the height of the vessel. The base of a cylindrical lid which has been produced using a thin metal sheet has a circumference. Area of the curved surface 1078. Find the height. Know anything? You have to find the height by using the circumference. 88 square centimeter, C equals to 5R. So you can find the radius here, right? 2πr equals 88 square centimeter. Then 2 into 22 over 7 into R equals 88. Then 88 into 7 over 44. That is 14 centimeter radius, right? If you know that radius is 14 centimeter, we got the radius as 14 centimeter. Now they are asking height. The curved surface area of to 5R H. Then 2πr H has given here 1078 square centimeter. Now you substitute the radius. We got the radius, then 2 into 22 over 7 into 14 into H equal 1078 square centimeter. Height equals 1078 divide by, borrow this 2 into 22 into here 14. This one into 7. Now cancel this 7 and this 14 too. 1078. Height 1078 divide by 2 times 2, 4. 4 into 22. Height equals 2. 27, how many 4s are there? 27, there are 6. 38, no. We can't divide it by 7. Sorry, 4. Divide it by 2 then. 539, 539. Then 50, 44. No. 44, and then 539 divided by 11. Height equals 53. How many 11s are there? 4, right? No, 44 we have to divide. 539 divided by 44, because 4 times 11, right? 539 divided by 44. That is 12.25. Height is 12.25 centimeter. Next question, question number 5. The area of the curved surface of a cylindrical tin with lid is 990 square centimeter. Plus the curved surface of the cylindrical tin, right? If the height of the tin is 15 centimeter, find the base of the radius. Right, the area of the curved surface. Cylindrical tin with the lid is curved surface. If the height of the tin is, find the base radius. Then it means curved surface has given, we have to find the radius. Curved area H. Then 2 pi RH equals 990 square centimeter. 2 into 22 over 7 into radius is, we don't know, height is 50. 990 square centimeter. Now you can cancel here, a little bit here. Radius equals 990. How to divide by 2 times 22, 44 into 15. Yeah, into 15. This 2 is going below the line. 7 going over the line. Right? Right. Then you can simplify. Radius equals, cancel out how many 11s 4. How many 11s are here? 90. 90 divided by 15, that is how much? 6. How many 2s? 2. How many 2s? 3. 3 times 7, 21 divided by 2, 10.5 centimeter. This is the radius of this one. If the height, yeah, this is the radius, and find the total area of the two circular faces. Then we can write area of two circular two pi r square 10 2 into 22 over 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. Multiply. How many 7s for, how many 3.5 for 10.5? There are 3. Here 2. Cancel. 10.5 into 22. 10.5. Here 3. Then 66 into 10.5. 22 into 10.5. Then there are 3 altogether. You can multiply 22 into 10.5 into 3. 2 times 22 times 3, 66. Then 66 multiplied by 10.5. That is 693. Find the total surface area. So I just erased this part. We have to find the total surface area. Third part I will do here. It's mean two circular parts. 693 square centimeter plus curved surface 990 square centimeter. This all together 3, 9 and 9, 18, 1 remaining 16. 1683 square centimeter. This is the total surface area. Next question. Six. It is possible to paint an area 13.5 square meter with 1 liter of certain type of paint. The roof over the veranda of a certain house resets on 10 cylindrical pillars, each of height 3 meter and diameter 28 centimeter. It has been decided to paint all the pillars. Then find the area of the curved surface of these 10 pillars to be near a square meter. Find the required amount of paint in liters. If the liter of paint is 450, find the amount that has to be spent on the paint. Right? It means in a house, 13, the possible to paint an area. Each height. This pillar's height 38 meter, sorry, 3 meter height. Then a diameter is 28 meter. 28 centimeter is mean I will convert it to meters, then 0.28 meter. That is the diameter. If you write it as a radius, you can divide it by 2. Radius. Radius is 0.28 divided by 2. That is 0.14. Right? Then what they are asking is find the area of the curved surface of these 10 pillars nearest to meters. Right. Then you can find first thing area of surface area of a one pillar. I can start from here. No? First one, surface of one pillar. So how can we find? Curved surface only we need. Then 2 phi RH 2 into 22 over 7 into radius is 0.14 meter into height is 3. This is 0.2. 44 into 0.2, 88, 8.8 into 3. It's mean 3 times 8, 24. To remind 3 times 8, 24 and 3, 27.4 square meter. Yeah, again multiply. They are asking nearest. To the nearest, if I took this value, uh, 26.4 square meter. The nearest, if I took this thing, 27. That means nearest sign we can approximately, we can take it as 27 square meter. Then find the required amount of paint. Only one, that means one pillar. Then 10 pillars. Then total surface area. Area of 10 pillars. (270 square meter). Because what is this? Find the area of the curved surface of these 10 pillars to the nearest square meter. This is something, small thing has happened. I want to check it. That's why I'm erasing. The possible to paint an area of 13.5 square meter with 1 liter of certain type of paint, the roof of over the veranda of certain house roofs, 10 meter cylindrical pillars, each height 3 meter and diameter 28. Right, has been decided to paint all these pillars. Find the area of the curved surface of these 10 pillars to the nearest square meters. These 10 pillars to the nearest square meters. One pillar. Only we have to take 2 phi RH, no? So we can write 2 into 22 over 7 into 0.14 into H is 3. That is true. Now cancel out. This is 0.14 and then here 0 and this is 0.2. 02 coming, right? Then 2 into 22, 44. Into 0.02 into 3. That is the mistake I have done because decimal place mistake. I straightly put 0.2. That's why. Right? So I want to say the mistake also, no? Right? Then here 44 into 2, that is 88. 88, it's mean 2 decimal places when kept 0.88 into 3. It's mean the 3 times 8. 3 times 8, 24, 2 remaining. 3 times 8, 24 and 2, 26. It's 2.64. Then we have to get the 10 pillars. Surface area of 10 pillars. Because I have done a mistake of 1 decimal place. Then also some is thrown, right? 2.64. Then 2.64 into 10. That is how much? 26.4 square meter. Then approximately this value 27 square meter. That is the first part of this. Next, second part, I have to manage the space properly. Second one, find the required amount of paint in liters. Then 1 liter, they can apply 13.5 square meter area. Then required amount of paint equals 27 square meter. Have to divide by 1 liter. It is possible to apply 13.5 square meter of with 1 liter. Then 13.5 square meter. Then how much? 2 liters we need to apply. Then the third part. If 1 liter of paint is 450, find the amount that has to be spent for the paint. Amount 1 liter equals 450, then 2 liters equals 450 into 2, that is 900 rupees. This is the third part and this is the first part, right? Next question. Question number 7. It is required to cover the total surface area of the curved surface of right cylindrical shaped food container of radius 7 cm, height 10 cm with the label. How many labels can be cut out from the thin piece of paper length 180 cm and breadth 90 cm such that waste is minimized? Find the area of the piece of paper that goes waste. So when we draw this thing, total surface area of a curved surface of right cylindrical shaped food container is of radius. The radius is 7 cm. R 7 cm, height 10 cm. Then what they are asking here, labels. We have to cut the labels from this. Then we have to take label is mean when we cut and open, this is really rectangle, no? Then height should be 10 cm. This is equal to circumference 2πr, right? Then by using this, the radius if has given 2 pi r, no? This is, the area is 2 pi r each. So then we can find how many labels can be cut out from a thin piece of paper of length 180 centimeter and breadth 90 centimeter. Then we have a paper. This paper length is 90, breadth is, this is 90 centimeter, length 180 centimeter. Right, first of all, you have to find the area of this part, right? So, circumference, we can find like this. Circumference of this part is, then C equals, if you examine roughly, 2 into 22 over 7 into radius 7, 44. So when we are cutting 44 like this, maybe nearly 3 parts we can cut, right, to this side. So now here number of labels along length. Let's write then now you understood this length is 180. The circumference, one label's length is equal to the circumference, 44 centimeter. Height has given, right? Then we can write number of labels along length. Number of labels along length 180 divided by 44. Nearly we can cut 4 labels, right? How many? 22, how many? 90. Yeah, 11, 45. Nearly, sorry, here not 3, I just mentally did. That is 4. We can cut 4 here. Then 4.0, 1 like that. Then we can take approximately 4 labels lengthwise. Then number of labels along breadth. Then 90 divided by 10. That is 9. Then we can get, next as in, total number of labels. Four times 9, 36. We can cut 36 labels. Then next question, we can cut 36 labels. Calculate how many such pieces of paper are required to cut the labels for 1200 containers above tile. I will erase this side. We have to find the waste, no? That 36 labels we can cut. This question asked in waste. So, area of paper. It means how much? 19 to 180. That is That is how much then? 16,200 square centimeter. And the area of 36 labels. $44 into 10, right? One length is 10, breadth is 10, length is 44, then 36. Then 15,840. Then waste. 16,200 square centimeter minus 15,840. Then how much here? Subtract 0, 0, 12 subtract 4, 8. 4, 8 here. 15 subtract, borrow 1 to this is 15, that is 3. 360, right? Again, I will subtract and see. 16,200, 15,840. 0, 10 subtract 4, 6. Borrow 1 to this side is mean. 11 subtract 8, 3. 360 square centimeter is wasted. Right. Then this is the first part answer. Then calculate how many such pieces of papers are required to cut out labels for 1,200 containers. Right? It means how many such pieces of papers we need. Number of paper we need 2. Then we can write here 1,200 divided by the area of one sheet of paper is how much? 36. You have to divide it by 36. Then I will erase this side and do it now. Number of papers. Thousand 200 have to divide by 36. Hundred divided by 3. That is 33.33. It's been nearly 34 papers we need. We need 34 papers to cut for 1,200 containers. Question. The figure illustrates one half of a solid cylinder. Calculate the surface area using the given information. This cross section, this part is circular and 2 semicircular parts and half of the curve we need. Now, what are the parts? Let's identify. 14 centimeter. This semicircle, 1 circle. We can write 5r squared for that part we have to add. And you can see this is a half of the curves you have to add, then you can get the total surface area of the given figure. Area of the circle, then that's why this semicircle plus this semicircle circle now. So I will write area of the circle semicircle, this semicircle. We have to take pi r squared. So 22 over 7 into radius is 14 divided by 2, right? 14 divided by 2. It not be straightly right, 7 right to 7. Then 154 square centimeter. Area of 15 centimeter into 14 centimeter. How much here? Let's multiply 15, 15. That is 50, 5 ones. 0, 9, 109. Sorry. Again check. 5, 1. 9, not 6 and 5. 11, 210. 210 square centimeter. And the area of the curved surface. Half of the curved surface. 2 phi RH divided by 2. It's mean 2 into 22 over 7 into radius is here. 7 into height is 15. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. I will write like this. Then later we'll write the reciprocal of this. Divide. Then we can write. I will take it up. Because I don't have space. So here we can write 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 15. Here division, so 2 I 15. 330. Then total area equals, we can add, what is this? 154, 210, this thing. Then 154 square centimeter plus 330 square centimeter. Altogether 694 square centimeter. Next one. Prisms. What is the meaning of prisms? Prisms is mean the properties given below are common to the solid illustrated in the above figure. The cross section is uniform, right? Then you can see the cross section. Cross section is uniform here, right? This is a pentagonal cross section that is uniform, and here this is a hexagonal cross section, octagonal. This is a triangular, right? The sides of faces are rectangles. The faces at the two ends are perpendicular to side faces. Then here the surface area of a right prism with the triangular cross section. So here we are going to talk about the triangular prisms only. Find the total surface area of right prism. I have mentioned prism here 2 times with the cross sections. The shape of an isosceles triangle as given below. Then when we are finding, first you have to find the cross section. 2 cross sections are there, 2 cross sections, surface area, and the 3 rectangular parts. So this consists of parts. First of all, you have to find this perpendicular area of this. Before that, first you have to use the Pythagorean relationship. To remove 10 centimeter, 16, half of the 16 is, this is 8 centimeter. Now apply the Pythagorean relationship. ACX. AC squared equals AX squared plus XC squared. AC is 10 squared equals AX squared plus 8 squared. AX squared equals 110 squared minus 64. 8 squared is 64. 110 squared and this is 64. AX squared equals 36. AX equals 36 square root, that is equals to 6 centimeter. Right? Then area of the triangular face ABC. Triangular face ABC, half into base into perpendicular height. Base is here 16. Perpendicular height 8 centimeter. That is 8 times 2, 16. Sorry, this is I have to write 6 here. We got 6, right? Right. 16 into 6. Then 8 times 6, 48. That is 48 square centimeter. Then the area of triangular base is, that is area of the two. (96 square centimeter). There are two triangular bases. So two triangular bases 96 square centimeter. Area of the rectangular base. So according to ACPR. ACPR. How much here? Breadth is 10 centimeter length. Then 30 into 10 centimeter, that is 300 square centimeter. Next one, area of ACPR. ACPR we got. Other one is ABPQ. Area of APQB. That is also 10 into 30. Next one, area of the down base is there, no? BCQR. BC, how much here? This is 16 into 30, right? 16 centimeter into 30. 480. Then total surface area. This one, 96. Area of two triangular bases and 300 plus, really I don't have space, so I will write it here. Total surface area. I will write here 96 square centimeter. And I will write vertically 300 square centimeter and 300 square centimeter. Other one is 480 square centimeter. This all together 6, 9 and 8, 17, 1 remaining, 7 and 4, 11. 1176 square centimeter is the total surface area of this figure. Now let's do the exercise. Find the total surface area of the following prisms. First one, 4, 5, 3. Then 2 triangular cross sections are here. So first, this is a right angle here. So easy for us to find area of triangular faces. Half into base is 4, right? This is the base, this is the perpendicular height, into 3. Then how many faces? 2 faces. Answer. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 2, 12 square centimeter. Area of the rectangular faces. How many rectangular faces are here? 5 into 15 plus 3 into 15 plus 4 into 15. Right. Then fine. 5 into 15, 75 square centimeter. 3 into 15, 45 square centimeter. 4 into 15, 60 square centimeter. 75, 45, 60. 60, 75 and 45. Plus 45 plus 60. Altogether 180. 180 square centimeter. Then total surface area. Equals 12 square centimeter, 180 square centimeter. Then altogether 192 square centimeters. This is 192 square centimeter. First find the 2 triangular cross sections plus 3 rectangular parts altogether giving the total surface area of this prism. Second one. That one also you can get the total. I will write straightly now, right? Total surface area. 2 triangular bases. They have given this side equal this side, this is 8. Then it means this is also 8. Then we have to find triangular base, we have to find, you have to use the Pythagorean relationship, right? This is 12 divided by 2, this part, that is 6, and this is 8. Then you have to find height here. 8 squared equals h squared plus 6 squared. Then h squared equals 8 squared minus 6 squared. So h squared equals 64 minus 36. 14 subtract 6. This is 8. Hypotenuse is 8 squared. This is 6 and this is h. Then 64, 36. 14 subtract 6, that is 8. Here remaining 28. It is it. I will check it again. Sorry, Butte. This is 12 is mean equilateral, no? This side equal this side. Is this they have given 8, no? Perpendicular height has given. We want only these two sides length. Sorry, that's why I just take. Then this is x. Because it is not clearly mentioned, that's why. These two parts we have to find. I just take this side as x. X squared equals 8 squared plus 6 squared. X squared equals 64 plus 36. X equals 100 square root, that is 10 centimeter. Then we can find it because perpendicular height has given. Total surface area equals half into base is here 12 into height is here 8 plus here to here is 10 centimeter, 10 into 20 plus 10 into 20, 10 into 20 plus 12 into 20 square centimeter, right? Then this all square centimeter. Cancelled here. 6. 6 times 8, 48 plus 200 plus 200 plus 0. 2 times 2, 4, 240. At this all. 400, then 400, 200, 640. 640 and 48. 600. Put it again. That is true. 48. 6 times 8, 48. Then goes half into 12 into 8. 10 times 20. 10 times 20. 12 times 20. At this all. 400 and 240, 640. And this 48. 8, 4 and 4, 8. 688 square centimeters. Next one. This is right angle, so no need to apply Pythagorean theorem. Total surface area equals half into 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter plus, except put in centimeter, lastly I will put, if not I don't have space. 12 into 5 plus 5 into 28 plus 12 into 28 plus. I have to apply the Pythagorean relationship to this. X squared equals 12 squared plus 5 squared. X squared equals 144 plus 25. X equals 169 square root, that is 13 centimeter. And 13 into 28. 6. 6 times 5. 30 plus 30 plus 5 times 28. 8 times 5, 44 remaining. 5 times 2, 10 and 4, 140. Plus 12 into 28. 2 times 8, 16, 1 remaining. 2 times 2, 4 and 1, 5. 8, 2. 6, 5 and 8, 13, 1 remaining. 336. Plus 13 into 28. 13 into 28. 13 into 28, that is 364 square centimeter. At this all, 30, 140, 336, 364. When we add this all, 10, 1 remaining, 4 and 4, 8, 8 and 3. 8 and 3, 11, 17. 1 remaining. This is 5, 5 and 3, 8. Answer is 870 square centimeter. Mm, 12 half into 12 into 5. 6 times 5, 30. Half into. Small mistake has arisen here. What is the mistake? Because I haven't added these 12 surfaces, 2 surfaces. I haven't added these 2 surfaces here. It means 30 into 2. So I have to add another 30 to this. 900. 900 square centimeter. The earlier sum also I haven't added the surface of that. Then answer should be that it means second part of this. Sorry, earlier one. Right, this is okay. 900 square centimeter. This one, earlier one, little bit I will go to this one again. This one also we have found this perpendicular height also, no? Perpendicular, and this is as 10. This is also 10, no? So here 2 surfaces, so I forget to put the other base also. Then area, total surface area, then half into base is here, 12 into 8, there are 2, right? Plus 12 into 20 plus 10 into 20 plus 10 into 20. Area, it's mean this to this cancel, 12 times 8. 12 times 8. It's mean 8 times 2, 16, 1 remaining, 8 times 1, 8 and 1, 96 plus 240 plus 200 plus 200. Then answer is 640 and 96. 6, 30, 736. Right, this is the answer. Earlier one, I haven't had this thing. One face, one triangular face. Next one, Find the total surface area of the right prism with a triangular cross section that can be made with the following net with the given measurements. A total surface area of the right prism. It means they have given the net, so it is easy for us to find the total surface area. So two faces here, two triangular faces. We can get the area straightly. First of all, we want to find the perpendicular height of this. This is 10, this is 10. So what about this thing? They have given here 12 and then here also 12, then half of this, right? Then if I remove it and if I take this is 6 and this is 10, right? Then we have to find this height. Then 10 squared equals h squared plus 6 squared. Then you can write 100 equals h squared plus 36. 100 minus 36 equals h squared. H equals 64 square root, that is 8 centimeter. Now we can write the total surface area. Two triangular faces are here. Half into base is 12 into perpendicular height is 8. There are two faces like this plus 12 into this length is 20 plus then you can 12 into 20, 10 into 20 plus 10 into 20. And this all. Cancel out 12 times 8, 8 times 2, 16, 1 remaining, 8 times 1, 8 and 1, 96 plus 12 into 20, that is 240 plus here 200 plus 200. Here also answer is 640 plus 96, 736. Question number 3. Find the surface area of the prism in the figure. So can you see this prism? Here this is 10, then this is also 10 centimeter. If this is 10 and this is 10, we have to find this part. So how can we find this? You can use the Pythagorean relationship. This is, we can take as x. X squared equals 10 squared plus 10 squared. X squared equals 100 minus 100. X equals 200 square root. X equals 200 square root is mean. By using the search, we can get the value. 100 into 2. That is 110 into 2 square root. Get the square root of 2. We can follow the lone division method. Right? If you follow the lone division method to find the square root of 2, if not straightly, we can find the follow the lone division method to find the square root of 200. Right? Even that way also we can do. Let's follow the lone division method, then 200. Then we can remind that also, right? Now pair this from here. 2 and this one to 1, 2 remaining, right? Nearest square number for this 1. And here also 1 times 1, 1. 1 subtract. Remaining 1, right? 100. Now you have to double this one and write it here. Then nearest number which it's going inside this 100 we have to take. If I put 4 here, you have to write the 4 here also. 4 times 4, 96 subtract. Right? Then remaining 4. Then now you have to borrow another pair of zeros here. Now put the decimal place. Then 400. 400. Now 14 here, I double this one and write 28. Then now check how many times, if I put 2 here, how many times go inside? We can't write 2 here, right? If only 1 we can write. Here also 1. 1 times 281. 281. So we'll stop from here at 14.1. 14.1. Now we can find the total surface area of this. Total surface area equals half into is two triangular parts. Half into 10 into 10. There are two triangular parts. Plus, I am not removing the back. Plus, this to this we can cancel. This is, we got 10 into 1 meter, 10 into 100. 10 into 100, because 1 meter is mean we convert into centimeters. And other one, we got the x here. Then this one also 10 into 100. Plus and 14.1 into 100 square centimeter. Now we can get the total surface area. 10 into 10, that is 100, plus 100 into 10,000, plus 1,000, plus 14 into 100, that is 1,410. Plus, that's all right. Yes. Altogether 100 and that is 510, no? This 100 and 410, 510, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 3,000. 3,510 square centimeter. The total surface area of solid wooden prisms in the figure 2,100 square centimeter. Find the length of the prism. Right, we have to find the length. Yeah, all the parts as given here except the length. So total surface area. Centimeter. Then we want to find x here, right? Then we can write 25 squared equals 15 squared plus x squared. X squared equals 25 squared minus 15 squared. X squared equals 625 minus 225. X squared equals 400. X equals 400 square root. X equals 20. So this is 20. Then we can write the expressions like this. 2,000 total surface area has given 2,100 equals half into base is here 20, perpendicular height 50, there are two triangular faces, plus 25 into L plus 20 into L plus 15 into L. 2,100 equals, cancel out this 2, 20 into 15, that is 300 plus 25L plus 20L plus 15. 2100 minus 300 equals, now here 25L, 20L, 15L, all L common, take it out. Then 25, 20, 15, 25 and 20, even we can add this all, right? 25L and 20L, how much? That is 45L, 60L. Then subtract 0, 0, 21, subtract 80 equals 60. Cancel out this 0 and this 0. Now this side divide by 6, this side also divide. L equals, cancel 18 divide by 180 divide by 6, 30. L is 30 centimeter. L equals 30 centimeter. The diagram shows the right circular cylinder with both lids. Right. Find the area of lid of the cylinder, that is 5r squared. So 22 over 7 into 7 into 7. Cancel out. 154. Find the area of the curved surface. It's mean 2 phi RH. 2 into 22 over 7 into 7 into 10. Cancel. 44 into 10, 440 square centimeter. Then that is 440 square centimeter. The diagram shows a right circular cylinder with both lids. Then 154 square centimeter. The other one is 440 square centimeter. Find the total surface area. It's mean we got area equals 154 square centimeter plus 400 square centimeter. How much? 554 square centimeter. We have to, sorry, there are two lids are there, no? 5r squared mean we got one lid, ne? Then how many lids we have? Two base and lid is there, right? Then we have to write 154 square centimeter, 154 square centimeter plus we got 440. This all together, how much? $440. That is 8, 5 and 5, 10 and 4, 14. 1 remaining, 2, 3, 4, 7. 748 square centimeter. They are asking volume of the cylinder, so it's okay. A little bit answer this cross section, no? Cross section area into the height. Cross section area already you know, that is 5r squared is mean 154 square centimeter. Height is 10 centimeter. Altogether 1540 cubic centimeter. Don't worry, next day we are going to do the volume part. All right, if you want, write down this. Next one, following figure illustrate one half of the solid cylindrical block of wood. Find the total surface area of the wood. It means this, you can see rectangular part here, and here you can see half of the curved surface and two semicircular. Two semicircle is mean one circle, right? Find the total surface area. No, surface area straightly you can find one circle. Then 5r squared plus this rectangular part. It's mean 10 into 7 plus half of the curved surface, then half into circumference 2 phi r h, right? Then you can substitute the values. Then 22 over 7 into radius is 7 into 7 plus 10 times 7 is 70 plus 22 over 7 into radius 7 into height is 10 square centimeter. Now find it. Cancel out this and this. 154 square centimeter plus 70 square centimeter plus 220 square centimeter. This all together, then 154, 70, 220. 4, 5 and 7, 12, 12 and 2, 14, 1 remaining, 2, 2 and 4, 4. 444 square centimeter. Repeat, I will recheck again. 154 plus 70 plus 220. Yeah, 444. Find the volume of the block of wood. Volume means this cross-section area into this height. Cross-section area volume equals half of pi r squared, right? Half pi r squared into h. It's mean 154, right? Divide by 2. Half into 154 into 10 cubic centimeter. Then it's mean 770 cubic centimeter. That is 770 cubic centimeters. Right. I gave little time for you to write also. Then I am going to end the session now. Then next part I am going to do next day, and all the exercise, and in addition to that other extra questions also I supposed to do. Then I will send you the Google Form paper. Then I've already finished the session now. Then I will send you the Google Form paper within 1 hour. Complete and submit to me. Okay, bye everybody.